Hello aspirants. Why is Space Vision 2047 in the news? India's space program is entering a new phase with the focus shifting from individual space missions to the wider use of space technology for national development. Recently, the Press Information Bureau highlighted India's roadmap for scaling up indigenous space technologies under Space Vision 2047. The roadmap includes expanding applications of Earth observation, satellite based services, and space technology across different sectors. So, what exactly is Space Vision 2047? It is India's long term vision for becoming a stronger and more self reliant space power by 2047 while using space technology for economic development, scientific research, strategic capabilities, and public welfare. Some major goals associated with this vision include Gaganyaan and future human spaceflight missions, the Bharatiya Antariksha Station or BAS, and an Indian crewed mission to the moon. The roadmap envisages commissioning the Bharatiya Antariksha Station by 2035 and achieving a crewed Indian moon landing by 2040. But for UPSC Prelims, don't focus only on human spaceflight. The other major component is space based applications. Earth observation satellites can support agriculture, disaster management, water resources, urban planning, weather, and environmental monitoring. Satellite communication supports connectivity, while satellite navigation supports transportation, logistics, and location based services. India is also working to expand the use of indigenous space technologies by government institutions, research organizations, and industry. Now, remember an important institutional distinction. ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization, is the principal space research and development organization. The broader administrative responsibility lies with the Department of Space, which oversees India's space program. The space ecosystem also includes organizations such as NSIL, which handles commercialization, and INSPACE, which facilitates and regulates private sector participation in the Indian space sector. For prelims, remember these key facts. Space Vision 2047, Long Term Indian Space Roadmap, Bharatiya Antariksha Station, targeted for 2035, Indian crewed moon landing, targeted for 2040. And the broader objective is not simply exploration, it is space technology for national development. So, whenever UPSC asks about Space Vision 2047, connect it with human spaceflight, space station, lunar exploration, Earth observation, satellite applications, indigenous technology, and private sector participation.